guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be playing with this beautiful Pat McGrath Subliminal Dark Star eyeshadow palette here today. The words are a mouthful, but I absolutely love Pat McGrath shadows. Right now there is a VIP sale going on and I picked up this palette right here among many other palettes. So this is the eye makeup tutorial that I did using this palette right here. If you guys are interested to see swatches for this eyeshadow palette and also how I got this eye makeup look, then keep on watching. I'm going to open this up right now. And then open that, and then open this palette right here. Actually, I'm going to switch this around because that's how it is. There are two gold shades in here, one dark blue shade, one gray, one black, and one plum burgundy shade. So I'm going to be swatching them right now, starting with the leftmost gold eyeshadow. So that's the first gold eyeshadow over here. Okay, I'm going to zoom you guys in. Next we have the gray shadow, just a matte gray. Then we have another gold shadow right here. This is more of a champagne gold. Then we have the dark blue shade, which is more of an iridescent kind of blue, and it has like a shift to it. Then we have the aubergine kind of shade over here, and then last we have the black eyeshadow. So these are the swatches right here. They are so pretty. Again, the formula of these eyeshadows are so nice. Alright, so now that we're done with swatches, let's get on to the eye makeup tutorial. I have already some foundation on and I have done my brows off camera. First off, I'm going to start off with an eye base. I'm going to do so using this Burberry cream eyeshadow pencil in the shade Stone Grey. I'm going to literally apply this all over my mobile lid. But I'm not going to put it too far, so just there. It's a gorgeous gray color and it will complement the shadows in the Dark Star palette really nicely. I'll blend this out with a blending brush. Putting an eyeshadow base, which is a colorful eyeshadow base, always makes your eyeshadows look so much more vibrant. Even though for Pat McGrath we don't really need, you know, an eyeshadow base, they're pigmented just by itself. The first shadow I'm going to go with is this gray color right here. I'm going to use another blending brush and go in with that gray shade over and just put that in our crease. This is going to further intensify our gray eyeshadow. I'm not going to wing it out today, I'm keeping it fairly central. Going with this black shade over here, and I'm going to use that in the inner and outer third of the eye. Use a flat shader brush for this. So just keep this concentrated and don't bring it too far up. This black eyeshadow has no fallout, like insane. I have no idea how Pat McGrath creates her eyeshadows, but they are literally one of the world's best eyeshadows. Alright, so we're going to go in with the blending brush and just blend out the edges on the top. Just blend the center part. I'm going to be using this blue shade over here. I'm just going to use my fingers and then place it right in the center of the eyelid. So just literally take this shade and just press that in the center. Oh my gosh. Use a clean blending brush and just blend just the top a little bit. Go back in with the gray shade again, just blend out the top. I'm going to take the Fenty liquid liner and just draw a line, thin line, just to cover my base. I'm not going to do a wing today. Take a purple liner from Makeup Forever and put that in the lower waterline. Take this dark plum shade over here and put that in the lower lash line. Last shade I'll take is this shade right here and put that in the inner corners. I'll definitely clean up a little bit underneath my eyes, but for now I'm going to go in with my Charlotte Tilbury Legendary Lashes mascara. Okay, so now I'm going to add on false lashes and finish up the rest of my makeup, and I'll be right back and then we'll finish off this video. Alright, so this is the finished makeup look right here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It is a very, very, very beautiful palette. I have nothing really bad to say about any Pat McGrath palettes that I own. You know, each eyeshadow has depth in it, has dimension to it, and it's so pigmented. Definitely I always enjoy playing with Pat McGrath shadows, and I'm happy to have done this tutorial for you guys today. The holiday season is almost here, so this kind of a look is such a great party look in general. So if you guys have this palette, I hope that you guys do end up recreating a look like this. I always recommend you guys to try out some Pat McGrath eyeshadow palettes if you haven't already. They're so worth the money, and the pan sizes are really big, so it's not like you'll finish off this palette anytime soon. Having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share, subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!